So my project was a study of songwriting and music production. So I chose this topic because I love music and I have done from as long as I can remember. I played the guitar and the trumpet, and I've always wanted to produce my own song. And it would be a fun and challenging new experience, and it may help in the future as what I want to pursue is music. The things I had to consider were what instruments I had to include. I chose to only include my guitar as it was the easiest to come up with riffs and melodies. I chose my genre to be an indie / alternative song as it's my favourite genre. And my influences were the XX and Bombay Bicycle Club and King Cruel. And the song structure, I chose to do verse, verse, bridge, verse, as that was a popular one for pop and indie music. And I recorded my song using Ableton, which is a digital audio workstation. The processes I had to go through were using Audacity. I had to improve sound quality by connecting my guitar directly to the computer. I had to synchronize the drums and guitar parts, and I had a few problems with the feedback and the latency, but I'll explain this later on. And I had to create my song using Ableton and then add effects and edit it. Using Audacity. Audacity is a free digital audio editor that you can use to layer and record different sound files together. This is a good application for practicing and just recording and practicing it. But it's difficult to get each layer synchronized with each other. And also when you record it, because I was using my computer's microphone, you could hear the background noise, so the sound quality was not that great. And in the picture, the sound levels were too high, so I had to adjust them to get the sound correct level. So to improve the sound quality, I connected my guitar directly to the computer using a DJ mixer. I used a DJ mixer because it was the only device I had that fit my guitar. I could plug my guitar in. I also obtained a different audio program called Ableton, which is similar to Audacity, but it's not free and there's a lot more effects. And this is the sound card I used to connect it. This is the DJ mixer, and that's my guitar. So I had the guitar plugged into the mixer, which was connected to the sound card, then to my computer, and the sound coming back out to the sound card, to the mixer, to the speakers. I soon realised this was not right, as the feedback and the latency I had an echo, so it didn't sound, I couldn't record over it, and it was really hard. So the problems that occurred while I was during my project was I couldn't synchronize the tracks with Audacity, but my solution was Ableton had drum beats which helped me to keep time. But I could also hear an echo which made it impossible to keep time. There were two causes to this. The latency. This is delays due to the computer processing the sound and the signal. And my setup had a feedback loop. So this was my first way of setting it up. But I realised that I had to put the sound card straight into the speakers, not into the mixer, because there was a feedback loop. I found this quite hard, how I wasn't really sure what to do when I had this problem. But I joined forums and I watched YouTube videos on how to fix this, and I managed to find it. I I created 3 main elements for my song using my guitar. They were a bass line, chords, and a lead melody. You can record them into each audio section, and that made it easy to record the song in time. I finally added effects to my recordings. On Ableton, they come already in different audio sets, but I edited them to make them different and sound more how I wanted to. I use reverb, an equalizer, and panning. Panning is where there's 2 different speakers and the sound will go to one speaker for one audio file, and then the same audio file but to a different speaker, so it sounds more like in a room, and it sounds a lot better. Thank you. Finally, I worked on the song arrangement. This was verse, verse, bridge, verse, and I obtained opinions from friends and a Facebook music production group about improvements. This is my song so far. Oh. Sorry.
Very nice indeed. Right. Have you guys got any questions? I know she explained all the technical stuff really well, so I don't have any questions on that, because you did it as you went along, because I'm thinking, what's she talking about? But you automatically explained everything to us really, really well, and it's nice to have an end product as well. Yeah.
So was it like a hard process?
It was difficult, but I had YouTube and a lot of it's explained on that, and Wikipedia, and the Ableton website has a lot of help, so that helped me a lot.
Was there anything in particular where we kept on looking places and you couldn't find an answer and then it popped up, or did it seem to be a lot of tutorials to help you?
Not really. It was all everywhere on the internet. Really. I just had to kind of search, and so yeah.
How long did it take?
Well, it took me about 3 weeks to completely finish it, the song. But then the research took quite a while, 2 months in total.
In terms of hours, what would you guess in terms of hours?
Probably I'm not really sure. Because I just kind of picked it up and did it for an hour, and then, so probably 12 hours, 6 hours, I'm not sure.
When you put it in hours, it doesn't sound so bad.
Yeah.
And you said that's the song so far, is that it, or you?
No, I'm thinking of adding vocals to it, but I'm not
I'll
sure.
do it.
I was waiting for
I've
the
been
vocal.
thinking about it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not.
Can you sing? Are you a good singer?
No.
No.
No, but I might just
Miss Brady
do
is.
it and then see.
You're terrible.
So yeah.
Ah, that's really good. It's really interesting.
It's very interesting because it's something I know nothing about.
Mm.
I feel a little bit more knowledgeable now. You said right at the beginning that you were thinking of a future in music.
Yeah.
Any particular direction you were thinking of going in?
Well, I like to be I think a guitar teacher in my spare time would be quite good for children. But also I'd like to be a university lecturer for music. I think that would be quite interesting. And then obviously being in a band would be really good, but I don't know if that will happen.
On the side.
Yeah.
Well, there's more out there than you think, so
Yeah.
it's probably very likely that you will.
Yeah, if I try I might.
Yeah, you might even do it here.
Yeah.
Right. You guys got anything else?
It's great. Enjoyed it. Thank you very much.